All right, let's quickly go through how to set up the remote Local Falcon MCP, which is a much easier process. So we're going to start by, if you want, if you scroll down here, there's the remote MCP documentation, and then you just scroll down to the SSE section, and there's the instructions there. But if you just go to your dashboard, and then go to the API and MCP credentials tab, you'll see for each key there's an MCP URL. We're just going to copy one of those, and then we're going to open Claude and go File, Settings, and then under General, under Claude Settings, we're going to hit Configure. We can close this window, and we're going to scroll down to Integration section and hit Add More. We're going to name it Local Falcon MCP, and then we're going to paste that URL there and hit Add. And then if we go back to a new chat, you'll see the Local Falcon MCP is there. So what are my last scans? Much easier to set up the remote MCP setting, and then anytime you ask, it'll obviously prompt for access, but if you sign into your Cloud account other places, it'll still be there as a usable connection, rather than on local where it's only on that device. And there we go, all done, nice and easy.